Today we're making the Greek donut Loukoumades. For the syrup, 4 cups water, 2 cups Greek sugar, half a cup Greek honey, 2 Greek cinnamon sticks, and the juice of half a Greek lemon. Mix him up and bring him to boil. Turn him off, cool him down. Half a cup warm water, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix him up, leave him down. 1 big bowl, 6 cups plain flour, 1 teaspoon salt, put inside 3 cups water, squeeze him up half a small lemon, put the yeast inside, and 1 teaspoon Greek olive oil. Mix him up. Put 1 more cup water for good luck and keep going. When it's like this, he's done. Cover him, leave him sleeping 1 hour. Now he's grow up, he's ready. Get 1 dish, fill him up with oil, put the heat. Put the stick. Now he's ready. Put your hand in the donut, squeeze so it's got a ball. 1 spoon with oil, scoop him up, put him inside. And keep going. Have a look my balls. You want to get them nice golden brown, put them on paper, drain them off the oil. When it's still hot, put him the corn syrup. Move them around, 10 seconds, drip him off the syrup, put some more honey. Have a look at this. Put some cinnamon, and finish him with some nice walnuts. It's bloody beautiful, man.